Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping and delivery on Shopify. Setting up effective shipping strategies is crucial for any online store, as it ensures your products reach your customers smoothly and enhances their overall shopping experience. A well-optimized shipping strategy can also help reduce cart abandonment and improve customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in and get you set up. Begin by navigating to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin page where you will see the settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu where you'll find various settings options. But for today's purpose, look over to the left-hand panel and select Shipping and Delivery. This is your central hub for managing all shipping-related tasks in Shopify. Setting this up properly will ensure a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Once you're in the shipping and delivery section, you'll want to focus on your shipping profile. By default, you'll have a general shipping profile. But if you've created additional shipping profiles, you'll see those listed here as well. Click on the shipping profile that you're currently utilizing, or stick with the general shipping profile if it meets your needs. Each of these profiles allows you to manage different shipping parameters for your products, or even specific groups of products. For example, if you're selling different types of products, such as large items or fragile goods, you may want to set up a separate profile with different rates or carriers. Now take a look at the list of shipping zones within the chosen profile. Adjacent to the shipping zones, you'll notice a three-dot icon. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options, and you'll want to select Edit Zone. This option allows you to fine-tune which geographic zones you'll be shipping or delivering to. You can adjust the existing zones by adding or removing countries or regions based on where you want your products to travel. If you're offering international shipping, it's a good idea to research your target market's specific shipping needs, such as delivery time expectations, local customs, and duties. Another critical aspect of setting up shipping zones is defining their respective rates. Here, you can specify the criteria, whether it's setting a flat rate, offering free shipping for certain zones, or calculating rates by weight or order value. Offering free shipping for certain zones or for orders over a certain amount can be a great way to encourage larger purchases. Remember, setting competitive and clear rates can greatly influence your checkout conversion rates. So, take the time to analyze what's best for your business model and customer expectations. Offering tiered shipping option and expert or expert. Once you are satisfied with your changes, be it adjusting zones, modifying rates, or both, ensure to click the Save button. This simple yet crucial step will apply all of your changes to the shipping settings, ensuring your online store functions smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to regularly review your shipping settings, especially during busy seasons like holidays. Adjusting your shipping rates or adding new delivery options based on customer feedback can improve your business's performance. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your Shopify shipping and delivery options, optimizing your store's ability to cater to your customers. This process helps create a streamlined and professional shopping experience, which can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat business.